I'm Chanel Beck and I'm here to answer all your questions about the Mermade styling range. What I love about the styling shampoo is that it's got the perfect balance of moisture from the Shea butter and strength from the vitamin E, and yet it still cleanses the hair to give us that nice clean base to work with. So a good shampoo is super important before styling because you want a super clean canvas. So if you've got impurities or oils on the hair, we're obviously not going to get a long-lasting wave or a really good blow dry. So bringing it back to our shampoo, so pulling it back to basics, we want to make sure the hair is super clean, we've got no impurities on the hair, no oils, and that'll give us a really good foundation to work with. So think of shampooing almost like an exfoliator. You want to make sure you rub the root area so we're lifting off those oils rather than massaging or milking through the shampoo. So by kind of rubbing the scalp area, we're going to have a nice clean base to work with. So traditionally we're taught to double shampoo. I think, we've been educated that the first shampoo only removes dust and dirt and the second shampoo is going to remove our oils, but we don't necessarily need to do that with the Mermade range. The one shampoo literally covers everything. So it's cleaning the hair, it's taking away the impurities, we're taking away dust. We hope you love your healthier, happier strands with our Mermade styling system.